Your Android phone becomes much more useful when your contacts are organized and synced with your Google account. Google Contacts lets you save, edit, organize, and back up your contacts automatically, making it easy to access them from any device. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Google Contacts on Android step by step. Start by opening the Google Contacts app on your Android phone. If you don't already have it installed, you can download it from the Google Play Store, then sign in with your Google account if prompted. On the main screen, you'll see your contact list along with a search bar at the top. You can scroll through your contacts, search by name, phone number, or email address, and tap any contact to view its details. To create a new contact, tap the Add button and enter the person's information, including their name, phone number, email address, and any other details you'd like to save. To edit an existing contact, simply open it, tap Edit, make your changes, and save them. You can organize your contacts by adding labels, merging duplicate contacts, assigning profile pictures, and marking important people as favorites. So these tools make it much easier to find the right contact whenever you need it. To make sure your contacts are backed up, open your phone settings, tap your Google account, select Sync, and verify that contact syncing is turned on. This keeps your contacts updated across all devices using the same Google account. Google Contacts also lets you import contacts from backup files, export them for safekeeping, and share individual contacts with other people directly from your phone. These features are especially helpful when switching devices or sending contact information. And that's it. You now know how to use Google Contacts on Android. Once your contacts are synced with your Google account, managing them becomes simple, secure, and available across all your devices. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more